Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set up the fingerprint lock in this device. So before set the fingerprint lock, you need to set any screen lock in this device. So in this device I already set one screen lock, pattern 3 lock I already set. It is unlocked. So let me show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock. Then here you can see the option fingerprint. Tap on this one. So first we need to enter the screen password. Then tap on the option setup. Tap on OK. So here this is the fingerprint scanner. The procedure is that first we need to touch the fingerprint scanner. When the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, then you feel one vibration. Then lift the finger, then again touch. Okay, so you can see touch and hold the sensor icon on the screen. You will need to touch the sensor several times to record your fingerprint. So I am going to touch the fingerprint. You can see, put your finger on the sensor and lift after you feel a vibration. Move your finger with each touch to record your enter fingerprint. Okay, now you can see it is processing. Yeah, done. If you want to add one more fingerprint, then tap on the option add another, otherwise tap on done. Now let me show you how it works. Now you can see the finger 1 is added in this device. And now let me show you how it works. Now you can see on the lock screen the fingerprint scanner is enabled. Just tap on this one, it is unlocked. Again I will show you. Tap on this one, it is enabled. So simply in this way you can set up the fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.